Hey guys, so it's the end of the day up here on this project, this part of the project, and you'll see this video coming down the pike. We're of course widening the road and everything, but that's not what I'm talking to you about right now. You won't be seeing this project for a while. How long, I don't know. So today's Thursday. You're probably gonna see this video Friday morning. I'm gonna be on my way to Western Washington this weekend, and primarily the focus of the trip is to bid work, but then I'm also going back to my old stomping grounds, to the Rainier Scenic Railroad, formerly Mount Rainier Railroad, but it's the Western Forest Industries Museum. And the purpose of the trip is to just kind of put eyes on the place, because I'm going to be heavily involved in it in the future. And so for those of you that don't really know what it is, here's a little bit of a preview. but I would definitely consider looking up Mount Rainier Scenic Railroad on YouTube, and there's videos galore of what it is. So that's where I'm going to be for the next few days. I'm still going to be taking videos of finishing up this project, and then from there I really don't know where we're going to go, but there is going to be at least 2 to 3 separate videos coming off of this trip that all it's going to cover is trains, the logging museum, and kind of just a brief going over what it's going to take to get everything fired back up. So if you don't want to miss out on that, if you kind of like old trains, kind of like old iron, kind of like history and cultural museums and that kind of thing, I would definitely consider subscribing so that you can follow us on that little adventure. But then I'm also going to put a link down below to Western Forest Industries Museum. They actually have a YouTube channel. It's simply that, Western Forest Industries Museum. There's one video up right now, and it's basically kind of a trailer thing that that was put up to announce that they are going to get going again, and they are going to restore the railroad. And I'm going to be actually kind of helping them get some YouTube content while I'm there. So that's that. I just wanted to let everybody know that that was coming down the pike, that I'm not disappeared and given up on this job just yet. And the 160 has not broke down, knock on wood, and that's what's coming. I mean, anybody that stumbles across this video in the next few days can kind of sit back and say, hey, I'd really like to see that, and possibly subscribe. So, yeah. Go check it out, Western Forest Industries Museum on the internet. They have a Facebook page as well. And also check out Mount Rainier Scenic Railroad on YouTube. And you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, comment, as always. It definitely helps us out, and I really do appreciate it even more here as the subscriber count slowly starts to crawl upward. And hopefully together we can help get this thing up and off the ground. All right. Talk to you later.